Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this phone I picked up on eBay. This phone I have had for a while now. Let me see if it tells me the shipping date on it. January the 18th. Let me cut this label off. So January the 18th I've had this. Oh, the day it got shipped anyways. So maybe a day or two before that. Just now opening it. Make sure there's no information on it real quick before I show you guys. Here it is. Cover off, get the battery out, which is bloated. It's a Samsung Ace, which is pretty close to the A900 if I remember right. This is a phone on ESPN. It's pretty much when they tried to do their own, I can't remember what it's called, MNVO I think it is. It didn't really work out that well, but they did make a phone out of it at least, or teamed up with Samsung to make a phone out of it, so that's pretty interesting. So I'll go get a battery and see if I can get this to turn on, and we'll have to mess with it and do a couple videos, but there it is. I would say it's an average condition for what it is. Both the screens and everything look good, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.